What's up, y'all? Just outside grounding. You know, it's day 6 on these mangoes. And man, I kind of got a lot going on, but don't really bother me. You gonna always have a lot going on when you're important. It just lets you know how important you is. The Matrix got to show you that it always got to have something to stop you. That just let you know that you're valuable. So just deal with it. But I was just chilling, thinking. I was like, man, when I first got into this, eating fruits and just growing as a person, working on my daily routine and becoming a better person, I would look at the things that I would be doing for myself that was bettering myself, making me my best self. I would be looking at them things like they would be problems in a sense in my mind when they shouldn't be. I wouldn't really be looking at it as problems, but I would be looking at something that would be stressing me out towards the end of the day instead of looking at it like a positivity. But your brain be programmed like that when you be around negative people or you be doing things with people that you shouldn't be doing them for. So then, you get to doing stuff for yourself. You see how tiresome it is, you feel some type of way. At least you wore out doing stuff for yourself instead of tired of doing stuff for other people, you know what I'm saying? Like, the more you do for yourself, the more you gonna see how much you've been neglecting yourself, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then like the person you dealing with now is not the same person that you was dealing with at first. So all the stuff that you was doing before you started healing, you're not gonna even do it no more. Like, you're not gonna be around none of these people. You're not gonna have the same mindset. You're not gonna even walk the same. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff that used to irritate you, it ain't gonna bother you no more. And the stuff that used to irritate you, that you didn't do nothing about, that you just let keep irritating, you gonna fix it. You know what I'm saying? And then it's gonna be certain stuff that you didn't think you like, but you actually like it. So you gotta take the time to get to know yourself. Like, don't run from the process. Like nobody can beat the process. Like, you can't cheat how long it's gonna take. You can't cheat the steps you're gonna going through. You can't make your problems stop when you start this lifestyle. And you can't bring your problems to you when it come to your good. Leave your problems with your that go on in this outside world outside of your good. You gonna get into this lifestyle and get to looking at stuff the wrong way, and you gonna slow yourself down. You gonna put yourself in situations that you shouldn't be in. And sometimes you might even digress and go look for fake love being around people that you're not supposed to be around. But you're gonna have to learn, like, you're just gonna have to see what triggers you. Certain things you go around certain people, it don't really bother you like people that do some of the stuff that you used to do that you don't engage in no more. And that's fine. But then again, you might go around people that do some of the stuff you might not used to. It might trigger you. It might make you want to digress. That's what you need to stay away from. Anything that changes your mindset in a backwards manner, you need to stay away from it because you're not gonna heal fully, and you're not gonna start thriving. You're gonna still be in survival mode, and nobody want to be in survival mode their whole life. That's a miserable life, man. Like, it's a lot of people out here living a lie that they thought they could fix, like, or dating somebody that they thought they could change, or just a lot of stuff like that. Ain't nothing like grounding. Nothing like grounding. You know what I'm saying? Like, we going through things, man. I don't really care about that, man. I don't care about that. I just want everything to happen when it's supposed to happen. And sometimes When stuff be happening when it's supposed to, it feel off to you. It feel terrible to you, but it be perfect to God. God know. You gotta trust the process, man. You gotta have faith in the process, man. Having faith in the process be the hardest thing sometimes, man, because it's gonna test you. This lifestyle gonna test your faith. It's gonna test your trust too. It's gonna see how much trust you put in the Most High. There's gonna be days you don't feel good. Like I say, like day 3, day 4, my body was going through that little phase where it played the little tricks where you just think you're tired or you down because you've been eating one fruit. Yeah, right. Your body's so toxic from all these years of abuse. You know it. You know your body playing a trick on you. And you ain't tired. You just want what you want. That's why I ignore it. Emotions and feelings are only temporary. Kids know that. Kids don't stay in one emotion too long. Us adults, we be mad for weeks about the wrong stuff. Absolutely wrong stuff. Phone getting hot, put in some shade. Yeah, man, that's how we do it though. Gotta just stay with it. Gotta stay with it. You gotta be able to take a couple years and be like, man, I'm gonna work on myself. I'm gonna love me for a couple years. Get away from everybody. Get away from everything and just appreciate nature. Just walk outside and just listen to nature. Like I could walk outside and notice the tempo of nature change just because I walk outside. Like I raise the vibration every time I walk outside. You gotta have that type of chi about yourself, that type of aura. You just know that this world needs you just as much as you need this world. We all need each other. We all need each other, man. Ain't nobody better than the next person. Ain't nobody better than the process. It's just some people further along where they need to be than others. But the people that's further along shouldn't be making the people that's not where they need to be feel some type of way. And that's another thing I noticed about social media, man, or influencers online that got this lifestyle down pack or certain things down pack. They take themselves so far away from the person that they used to be that when they see somebody in their situation, they can't even relate to it no more. And you could tell. Like you gotta be able to sympathize with people and take yourself back to where you used to be without it triggering you or without it affecting you in a negative manner. You gotta be able to shake it off. You gotta stay positive. You gotta stay woke. You gotta stay focused. People get woke and want to go back to sleep because it get tough. Nah, it just don't work that way. Don't work that way. When you living on a high vibration and a high frequency, you know everything gonna be hype. You know, you just know it. There's nothing to trip over. Stuff gonna be a little harder. You know what I'm saying? The levels be different. But you get more of an appreciation for yourself knowing that you stuck it out. You're not gonna appreciate you giving up or getting upset with the stuff you shouldn't be getting upset with. You're gonna be disappointed in yourself. How many times you think you're just gonna be able to disappoint you and it just not affect you? And it don't affect the people around you. Whenever you don't live up to who you're supposed to be, it affects your people negatively too. Whether you want to think it or not, when you chosen and you are influenced, man, you mean a lot to what people do. You mean a lot to what people think, man. The people you think ain't looking up to you, or you influencing them, they writing notes. They taking notes down. They got journals on you. End of the night, the day over with, they got a whole journal about everything they learned from you. And you sitting around here playing. You don't want to record no content. You don't feel like, well, when you gonna start doing what's best for you? You ain't gonna never want to. You just gotta do it because you're supposed to. Doing what you're supposed to do or doing what you want to. Man, if you put them together, you're gonna be unstoppable. You're gonna be unstoppable, baby. For real, I'm telling you, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell you nothing. That's just how you gotta do that. And you gotta stay focused. I love y'all, man. Stay up, man. Do what you're supposed to do. Love you. Be the best you. Fruit Squad Healthcare Group, you know what I'm saying? Fruit up.